Coming hours to this awesome celebration of the Sangeet Kala Kend's 26th Awards. As always, this evening holds a lot of promise. We promise an evening of enjoyment, relaxation, and an evening, of course, of razzmatazz. A very special welcome to our legendary chief guest, Padma Bhushan, Pandit Ajoy Chakravarti. Pandit Ajoy Chakravarti, a world-renowned Hindustani classical vocalist, a composer, as well as a lyricist. We are honored to have you in our midst. You have made all of us at the Sangeet Kala Kendra proud with your amazing voice and the mellifluous manner in which you sing. You have conquered many hearts, not only in India as a musician, but even as a musical genius across the world. You have positioned India on the musical legacy map. You are India's pride. A very special welcome once again to Aditi Mangaldas. We all saw her amazing performance, light of the evening. Yet another warm welcome to the legendary, beautiful and charming Rekha ji, the actor of all seasons. Rekha ji, you are indeed a big draw for this distinguished audience. The Sangeet Kala Kendra Awards, year after year, stir a lot of beautiful memories. Traditionally, this evening, we pay homage to our beloved founder of Sangeet Kala Kendra, the legendary Aditya Vikram Birla, my husband, whose life symbolized the triumph of creativity and imagination. I would like to share snatches of conversations on his philosophy, his timeless values from thoughts of his father as expressed by my son Kumar Mangalam. It goes like this. There's so much one can learn from his life, that you can be successful without having to negotiate on your values and principles, and on your own terms, with hard work, passion, and unfailing commitment, that at the same time there is more to life than work alone. Live life to the fullest, work with undivided focus, and play with unbridled passion too. Follow your dreams. There is nothing you cannot learn or achieve if you put your mind and heart to it. That you can touch the lives of many people more than you can perhaps imagine through your genuine concern for their well-being, through small gestures, and by being a role model to so many. We all realize that He is always with us and that He really never left us. Unquote. Today and every day, I feel that Alji never truly left us. His aura, his legacy of values, his desire to live life to the full and yet to be complete Karma Yogi continues to be his legacy bestowed upon us. It is also the rock-solid principle at the core of Sangeet Kala Kendra. That said, at today's program, the focus is on Indian classical music and recognition of a virtuosic vocalists and spawning geniuses. I often feel that we have been very privileged that year after year we have been able to enlist the best of the best in the performing art domain to the evaluation team. This year too, it has been no different. Our distinguished jury, comprising of vocalists, artists, signaling creativity, intellect and eminence, driven by passion, was chaired by Pandit Ulhas Kashalkar, Pandit Venkatesh Kumar, Vidushi Ashwini Bhide Deshpande, Srimati Kavita Krishnamurthy Subramaniam, and Srimati Devki Pandit were all our other judges. Their backing us to the hilt, along with other geniuses, over this arc of 25 years and more, is a testament to the authenticity of Sangeet Kala Kendra. It is also the reason why our awards have become so aspirational. The pride of place, the Aditya Vikram Kalashikar Puraskar, goes to the iconic Padma Bhushan Vidushi Begum Parveen Sultana for her creativity across all genres, ranging from classical to even film music. Padma Bhushan Parveen Sultana, a heartiest congratulations to you. Our best wishes and accolades also go to three young artists who have the potential to rise even further. I would like to call out Sri Samiyan Kashirkar, Kumari Ankita Joshi, and Sri Sagar Morankar. These artists have demonstrated amazing talent in the world of vocal music. Their performances have regaled tens of thousands of music lovers across the globe. Our congratulations to all these four vocal superstars, and here's wishing you even more accolades in the times ahead. May you have many more wins. And finally, I want to thank all of you, my fellow Sangeet Kala Kendraites, from the bottom of my heart for all your affirmations, your endorsements, and of course, your tremendous support to our Sangeet Kala Kendra. It means a world to us. That said, we open the next chapter of Sangeet Kala Kendra, an evening of scintillating songs from the incomparable Shreya Ghoshal. So wonderful to have you with us on this memorable occasion. Enjoy the evening and God bless.
Inspiring and invaluable. We applaud your accomplishments. Thank you so much for doing what you do. And may I now request our chief guest, Pandit Ajoy Chakrabarti ji and Mrs. Rajashri ji Birla to present the award. Joshi Begum Parveen Sultana ji. And we've got a AV for her. Before we move on to the awards, we would like all of you to please have a look at the audio visual. Can we have the AV please? Begum Parveen Sultana ji, with a voice that carries both power and subtlety, she's earned a place among the most revered vocalists of our time. Her artistry transcends genre and language, touching hearts and souls across the country and beyond. And I would like to read her citation. Sangeet Kala Kendra is honored, ma'am, to bestow upon you the Aditya Vikram Birla Kalashikar Puraskar in recognition of your unparalleled contribution to the world of Hindustani classical music. You are one of India's most celebrated vocalists whose divine voice, extraordinary range, and exquisite command of the Patiala Gharana have enthralled audiences for decades. And beyond your own numerous body of work, you have inspired generations of musicians through your dedication, discipline, and deep reverence for the classical tradition. And when the great milestones of Indian music are recounted, your name, ma'am, your artistry will forever stand among the finest. Your brilliance, emotion, and virtuosity remain unmatched. We salute your lifelong commitment to your art and timeless legacy you continue to create, one that will inspire and elevate Indian classical music for generations to come. And now may I now request Mrs. Rajashri Ji Birla to please come forward and present the award and flower. वर्ल्ड ओवर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, दिल से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहेंगे. And can we have a big round of applause? Come on, we are so many of us, we are in thousands, everyone. We have to hear, that's going to be the loudest cheer of the night. And that's applause. Now, ma'am, हम आपसे गुजारिश करना चाहेंगे, मे वी रिक्वेस्ट पद्म भूषण विदुषी परवीन सुल्ताना जी, आपसे गुजारिश करना चाहेंगे, if you could say a few words please, ma'am. We have the mic there for you. आप जैसा आप चाहें. Okay, ma'am.
Heartfelt congratulations to Sangeet Kala Kendra for their outstanding contribution in promoting art and culture, and wish them continued success. Once again, thank you very much. आप लोग इतना प्यार दिया, इतनी इज्जत अफजाई की, उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. खास करके श्रीमती राजश्री बिरला जी को मेरा बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. आप लोग जो कर रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं शास्त्रीय संगीत के लिए. कोई भी कला यंग जनरेशन को, यंग बच्चे को एनकरेज कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई और मेरे बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद भी है इसके साथ. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब लोगों को. अगर गलती हुई तो माफ़ कर दीजिएगा. नमस्कार, नमस्कार, आदाब, आदाब.